Hey, what's up my travel gang? How are you and where have you been traveling to? As you guys know, I have started a cycling series to explore Gilgit, Baltistan. In my previous episode, we went to Gilgit, some 30 kilometers east from Gilgit city. And if you haven't watched that video, just watch it now. In this episode, we went to Sultanabad and the Skat Boy just joined us and we traveled with him. We had a great experience and a crazy ride with him towards the Sultanabad. On the way, we also met with the Paragliding Club of Gilgit, Baltistan. So let's go and explore it in my video. What's up guys, so here we are at the New York shop and we thought to have some bananas and proteins with us. Hey.
Yes, brother.
Enjoying the ride,
Yeah.
the KKH ride here.
Yeah, bro, we have got Israr right now with us. He's really amazing at skating. Yeah, it was just so much fun watching him do that,
Yeah. He's a crazy guy.
Yeah.
Let's watch him on the downhill. The wilderness you can get here in Gilgit, Baltistan, guys. And you shouldn't miss this KKH ride. We have a situation here. We will be going off-road now. And you see the Gilgit River there and we will be touching the Gilgit River. So here we are at the spot where they are performing the paragliding and we met this guy who's a member of this club and the club name is Big Wing. His name is Mehdi Bhai and he's doing this paragliding from couple of years. So how's it?
Yeah, it's very nice and thank you Mr. Ali for being here to support us today. We are doing this paragliding from several years till 2006.
Wow.
Mr. Taki is the coach of this paragliding club and Sir Khalid is our instructor here.
So thank you Mehdi Bhai.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure meeting you. Thank you. So guys, here we are with the man who did the paragliding here and his name is Ali. Imran Ali, yes. So how was it?
Imran, it's very amazing.
It was
cool.
cool.
It's my first time I came here.
That's cool.
I'm so enjoying. First time you came, this is very difficult.
Yeah, it is.
So,
it is.
But
So you enjoyed your ride?
I am enjoying.
It's a bit adventurous.
It's very good and for especially youngsters.
Yeah.
You see here.
Okay.
Hi guys, all guys like to jump here.
Yep.
So I would like to advise to him. They came here and enjoy.
That's cool. That's cool. He did the thrilling part here, guys. So loved it, and maybe we will be performing someday the paragliding stuff. Thank you.
Thank you.
So here we arrive at our destination. See the mighty Indus, just showing its smooth flow. Loved it. thrilling one, you see. There you see how this river can work
us from the smoothie flow towards this amazing rough piece. Down there.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
So guys, here we are saving our time, and we are not going from the long route. We have spotted a short route which goes directly at the cake edge. So we'll be going by foot. We have to carry our cycles.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Gilgit City. We will be having some local dish here, and there is a newly opened restaurant here in Sonikot. So let's see what we have got here.
We are heroes tonight.
Hope you enjoyed our video, and we will be having some food now. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next week.